Welcome to the English session, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to continue the lesson like trap from paragraph 7. Go to the next slide, children. Now I am going to read the lesson. Look at carefully. Funny, Dhira said to himself. A moment ago he was in no hurry, but now he is in a great hurry. Dhira dusted the shoe quickly and applied some polish onto it. As he was about to shine it with the cloth, he found something sticking out of it at the back. What can it be? Dhira wondered. He bent his head to take a closer look. My goodness! That'll do, my boy. It's time, the man said. Taking his foot off the stand, Dhira continued to shine the shoe with the cloth, while the man fumbled in his wallet for change. The boy quickly tied the end of the laces of the two shoes and got up without taking the coin. The man held out and rushed out to the policeman. He could hear the man yelling, "Hey, I'll get you." But what's happening? This is the story about Dhira, isn't it, children? We was very curious to know about the thief. A customer came and told him to do the polish very slowly. But after a moment, what happened, you know? He was very hurry because he was in great hurry by seeing the policeman. And Dhira was asked him to give the another shoe, and he is also gave the another shoe, and he is dusted the shoe very quickly and polishing on it, and he was shining the cloth. When he was doing the polish, he found something sticking in the back of the shoe, and he is make a keen observe on the spot. He observed that something is there, and he make a keen a closer look about in the shoe. It was a somehow something is there, something is hid in the shoe, and that all the boy came to know that Dhira was came to know that something is there. It means he was the thief. A necklace was in the shoe, and he was suddenly the present used his presence of mind, and when my man was giving a change, he fumbled in the wallet about for the change. Fumbled means searching about very closely. Wallet means a purse used to keep the money or credit cards, isn't it, children? And the man was fumbling a change in his wallet. I quickly down towards the leg and neatly tied the ends of the laces of the two shoes, and without taking a coin, he was yelling towards the policeman. Yell means shout because he was the thief. Thief, thief, come here, like that. He shouted very loudly, and the thief also, hey, what happened to you? Come here, take your change. Like that, he is also approaching, but he neglected the approach of the thief and he called the policeman. Go to the next slide, children. The man fell flat on his face when he tried to walk while he was struggling to get up. Dhira was back with the two policemen. They caught hold of him. Yes, he has the thief. Yes, jewel thief. The gold necklace was found in his shoe and his bag in his pocket. He was taken to the police station. Of course, Dhira was prized for his presence of his mind. He was also rewarded by the policeman and by the jeweler. His school too honored him with the medal for his bravery. Okay, children, when the Dhira was suddenly tied the two laces of the shoes by unknowingly to the thief, and the man was also run away. He wanted to escape from that place, but he was not able to run because he fell flat on his face and he is not able to walk also. He was struggling to get up from that place. At the time, Dhira was suddenly called the two policemen, and the policeman and caught the thief, as he was the jewel thief, because they found the gold necklace in his shoes and bed. What the bed used to make the thief at that bed was in his pocket, and he was taken to the policeman. The thief was taken to the police station. Of course, Dhira was very good and brave boy because he used his presence of mind in the right time, and for this work he was rewarded by the policeman and by the jeweler, and he is also honored with the school with the medal for his bravery. Isn't it, children? Dhira used his mind in the correct time. By using his courage, he caught the thief and he helped the policeman to catch the thief in the right time. Isn't it, children? Be like a Dhira in your life, children. Thank you. Go to the next slide. Some of the new words from this lesson are fumble, search about, awake hurriedly. It means searching very neatly in his packet. L means shout, shouting loudly to call someone or to call others. And something happened in the incident, we shouted very surprisingly, or something we are shouting by unknowingly happens something in the sudden accidentally, we are yelling. Wallet, a small folding case for carrying money or credit cards. It means purse, children. In a natural way, we are call it as a purse, a small folding case for carrying a money or credit cards. It is a wallet. Thank you, children, being with me. Have a nice day. Thank you, one and all.